Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Beautiful car, guys. Really what I think is probably the hottest car in the country right now. Always been hot. 70 Chevelles, just everybody wanting them. Cranberry red car. It's got the black SS stripes, the black vinyl interior. Georgia car, good solid straight Georgia body. Good looking car, runs out strong. It's got a 4-speed, 12-bolt rear end. Matter of fact, this car has a CRV coated 12-bolt rear end in it. If you know anything about rear ends on these cars, that was only available in an LS5 or LS6 car. You can look that right up. CRV's the code. So this car could have very well been a 454 LS5 or 6 car from the factory, because that's the only rear end they put in those cars. Cowl hood. You can see it's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the correct SS rallies. But cool car. Like I say, hits the road good. It's got a 71 396 block underneath the hood now. 4-speed manual trans. Few little things. It's a little bit of an older restoration, but nicely done. I saw some stone pecks on it when I was walking around it. Yeah, I know the little touch-up marks. A few little touch-up marks as you walk around the car. But pretty doggone nice car, guys. Chrome and stainless is nice. Again, car hits the road good. It's got a 331 posi in the back. Glass is nice. Just opening the hood, Mike. Pretty car. Good looking car. So a couple little touch-up marks there. It's funny, people, you know, the videos, people email me and they call me and they'll say, you know, why do you point out all the imperfections? Man, when you've been doing this long enough, you realize that none of these old cars are perfect. None of them are perfect. You can find something on all of them. And like I say, 90% of these cars I sell sight unseen, but through the video. And so I try to show you anything that I see, so we just don't have any problems. We sell 300 of these things a year, man, and we have very few problems. Most people understand they're old cars. They all got something somewhere. Again, new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. SS rallies. Car's straight down the sides. About the only thing I can nitpick, I think it's got 245s all the way around it, man. A little bit bigger meat in the back would be nice, but they just went with the stock. I'm not sure what that is. Just something. It's coming right off. Again, 71 396 underneath the hood, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. They've upgraded to an HEI distributor, chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers. Upgraded to aluminum radiator. It's got a flex fan, power steering, power disc brakes. Again, 4-speed manual transmission. Detailed up nice underneath the hood. Again, a cowl hood, not the doesn't have the operable cowl. Nice car. I'd say car really kind of sits stock. Got the dual chrome mirrors. I think he said they replaced a lot of the interior in the car. New door rubbers. There's just a little wax there, guys. Door seams are clean. Yeah, these are new door pads. You can see it's got new carpet, new sill plates. I think he said they recovered the seats. Factory bench seat car. It's got the sports steering wheel. It's got the stock shifter in it as well. Headliner looks good. They just refurbished all the gauges. It's showing 21 miles. You can see they just redid all those. Even the clock works, but there's more miles on the resto than that. I don't know the exact miles, not a ton, but when they redid the dash, they put it back to 0. Again, stock shifter, Retrosounds radio. I didn't get that to come on. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a again 12-bolt CRV coated rear end with a 331 limited slip. It's also got the F41 suspension with the sway bar and everything. They put new quarters on both sides. I did see that. That's just wax in there, guys. I don't know what it did. Sorry, guys. I hit the button there and makes it up. Looks like I'm still filming, though. Oh, I might have hit the menu button. I'll tell you what, we are getting very, very lucky right now. We got some gorgeous weather for this time of year. Seats look good. Dash pad looks good. Again, those gauges are nice and clean. Correct shifter. We fire it up, Mike. Door handles look good. Again, it's got the dual chrome mirrors. Just a little dust here. Shut that in. Give me 1 second here. You're good. Yeah, go ahead and shut it. It's got the hood pins. Tach works. I think all your gauges work. Like I say, even the clock works. The only thing I couldn't, parking brake works. I couldn't get the radio to come on. That was the only thing I couldn't get to come on was the radio. Oh, might have the brake light out. Left turn signal. Yeah, I bet you that's just the. I bet you it's just a connection. Reverse, Mike. Give a little rev. Car's got good sound. Blower motor worked. Like I said, I couldn't get the radio to power up, and it's brand new, so not real sure. Doors open and close good. Wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Yeah, that brake light came on now. See? I know that thing works. Car sits in, maybe a little bit bigger